Go to Attendance, Program Attendance, Event Attendance. Today, we're going to mark attendance for August the 1st. So I'll enter the date and then the Sunday morning worship service. Here, I simply double-click on names, or I can hold down the Shift key and grab several and drag them over. Or I can choose one, hit Mark Selected, and do the same with a group. Once I have done the individuals who are regular members of the church, I click on the visitors list. These are people who have previously visited our church. So I will mark them as attended.